Wandering down the street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way. There's something for someone walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Saigon, walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Saigon. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
So I'm not entirely sure, but this looks like these houses that I was seeing here called Phuong Alley. I might ask somebody in a minute, but we're gonna just take a look. So this, I think this would be the entrance, this busy street right here. And I think this is the street. I'm gonna ask somebody when we go in there. This is a little tourist attraction in Saigon called Phuong Alley. And it's kind of a cool little space. I was watching some other YouTubers go there and I wanted to go see it myself. So at the beginning of the video, I'm just not really sure if I'm actually there. You can see it up on the map. But I am. It's the right place. Good. So another slice of Saigon. I still got another, I think 10 or 12 Saigon to go before I complete the series. I've been uploading, one about every 5 days. I've been doing that now for the last few months, and I think I'll be doing it for another couple months. So if you're interested in Saigon, like and subscribe. The lyrics, you can see those coming down. You've already been watching them. And I created the lyrics and then I fed it into AI. So that's where the music actually comes from. And anyways, next walk and talk time. Let's go check out this little alley, little tourist alley for you to view through the camera lens, Saigon. So yeah, I think this is it. I think I saw somebody stayed in this area, I think, in the video. Is this? Oh, right here. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So this is actually it. So I found it. I didn't expect it. I just looked down this alley and it just looks so cool. And this is actually the alley that I was looking for. And I think somebody actually stayed here before as well. How cool that is. Yeah, that's it. So I guess what I'll do is I'll kind of take a look around. Yeah, and the guy recognized it right away. He said this was definitely it. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just go all the way down and then we'll go all the way back. Just kind of see what it's all about. It's very residential, but it's in the guidebook and they seem to know it right away. There's even chickens. Okay, so I don't think it's too long. I think it's just this little stretch right here. So we'll see. So I guess what I'll do is just walk down to the end, look around a little bit, and check. There's stairwells that go down. Huh. So this is kind of look up because once I go down I won't be able to see it anymore. Yeah, I think somebody stayed, there was some YouTuber that stayed in a hotel here, or a hostel or something. So we'll go all the way down the end, and then we'll also go down that way and walk on out again as well. It's so interesting that this is in a recommendation list of a place to visit. So I guess what we'll do is just walk on out again. I wonder if they're used to tourists coming in here already. Hello. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is we're going to go downstairs. So yeah, this is kind of cool. So let's go down the same place that the lady came up, and then we'll be able to get a better idea, and then we'll walk on out of here. Okay. So it looks like this goes out into another street over that way. There's even chickens in here. You can keep chickens in that little location. And I guess this is the alley then. There's actually a toy shop. So let's go all the way down, and then we'll get an idea of what all of this looks like. Looks like you can also get some something to drink here too. So it looks like they kind of made it into a business area. So I guess that's why they're okay with the cameras, because they probably do get tourists that come down here. Huh. Very cool. Year of the Dragon. Yeah, I didn't know what to expect actually. So that was an exit there. There's one of the chickens that I'm hearing. Two of them. The third one over there. Huh. I think there's more here too, cages for them. Wonder what the neighbors think. Got a temple right there. Shrine. Very cool. It's a very interesting area. So I'm gonna come on out of here in a moment. And this is in District 5. It's part of Chinatown. So you will see cool stuff. On that note, we are going to go on out. So yeah, a little slice of Saigon for you in the Chinatown area. And we're in District 5. And I saw that in the tour guide book. So I thought I should come and check it out and see what it's all about. And that's what it's all about. So, pretty cool. And on that note, we're going to end it. They might be looking for that.
You view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes.